Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're going to draw a big happy school bus. This bus is bright yellow and takes kids to school every day. It's full of smiles and fun. So let's grab our black marker and start together. First, let's draw a long rectangle for the body of the bus. Now, add a small curved front like a nose. That's where the driver sits. Great! Our bus is starting to take shape. Next, let's draw two big circles at the bottom. Those are the wheels. Now inside each wheel, draw a smaller circle for the hub. Ready for the windows? Let's draw 3 big square windows along the side. And don't forget the small window at the front for the driver. Add a door with a handle in the middle so kids can get in. Let's give our school bus a happy face. Add 2 little eyes above the headlights and a cute smiling mouth. Now let's draw the lights in front. Just 2 little half circles. At the top of the bus, add a long rectangle for the school bus sign. Can you write the word school bus in it or decorate it with stars? Let's make it even more fun. Add a happy child inside each window. Just small circles for heads and dots for eyes. Maybe one is waving and another is smiling. Let's also draw a few clouds and the sun in the sky. Now our bus is outside, ready for a school day adventure. Now it's time to color. Let's use yellow for the body, black for the wheels, and blue for the windows. What colors will you use for the kids inside? You can even make your own rainbow school bus if you want. Add your favorite colors and be creative. This is your masterpiece. Ta-da! Our school bus is finished! And now it's time for our magic brush. Look how cheerful and bright it is, full of happy kids ready to go. You did such a great job drawing and coloring. Don't forget, you can always draw your own kind of bus. Maybe a space bus or a candy bus. Keep drawing, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next video.